welcome back to Bella Roseland, and today we're doing something very fun. But before I get started this video, make sure you like, and subscribe. So guys, I totally forgot to give you this video, but I got this cute Bella Roseland merch from Spreadshirt.com. It is so cute, and you don't even have to get this shirt, and the back says, "Follow your dreams," with the butterflies on it. But anyways, you don't even have to get this style, but if you go to Spreadshirt.com, you can create your own merch of Bella Roseland, because I'm not popular enough to make my own merch. But guys, yeah, and so we're going to make this new thing called Summer Swim Edition, right, Ava?
Yes, we are.
And we're doing videos
We've
in the water.
already filmed a couple videos.
Yeah, well, they're going to be posted soon. But anyways, make sure to stay tuned for that, and yeah. So, today we're going to be unboxing this cute and adorable Our Generation doll, beachy, a beachy set, like for a lake or a beach. So, it has this watermelon swimsuit, this little basket to put, stuff in, and it has, these little molds. That's a seahorse and a turtle to put sand in to make, a mold. And those are some sunglasses, a shovel, and a scraper bucket. And it has even sandals and a towel. So guys, we're gonna be unboxing that. And because we're going to Wisconsin in the summer, I'm gonna use that little set for one of my American Girl dolls and my Our Generation doll. And so this is the girl that I'm going to use to change into her. So guys, let's change into her.
Well, shouldn't we unbox it and show them the stuff unboxed?
Oh yeah,
first?
we're gonna unbox the stuff first, and then we're gonna change her into it. So it's gonna. I hate unboxing stuff.
Here, do you want me to? Whoa. I guess it is kind of. What the heck?
This is taking forever. This is taking forever.
There's all this stuff attached to it on the back.
This is taking forever.
Okay, here. Here. That's not attached to anything.
Yeah.
Here, let me
Rip it! You're strong.
Whoa. Okay.
Okay, guys, so hopefully you saw that weird fast forward minute. And anyways, we are going to start cutting. Honey, I'm home. And cutting.
Just get that one.
Let's just see if. So, most of it. Done. Whoa! Woo! So, first we're going to show this.
Here, I'll get it out as you show then.
This cute little plastic basket. And good that it has holes if it gets sand in it so you can wash it out. This is so cute though. It's about, to show you how big it is, it's about this big on my face. And then the next thing we have is this cute little bucket pail. And it's a green one. It's cute. And you can actually move the handle. So I think you can put that in the basket or something. They have this cute little scraper so you can scrape the sand. So you can put that in here, I think, too. And then they have this cute neon pink shovel to shovel up the sand. And then These things I think are so cute. So basically this is like a turtle mold. You put sand in it, then you take it out and it's a turtle. And then we have this adorable seahorse one that's neon, and then this one's green. So those ones are adorable. And Ava's, oh, these things are adorable, okay? So these are cute little sandals you're supposed to put on them. And you actually have this little attachment thing to put like holes so then you can find the right size. These things are so cute though. Look at them. They kind of remind me of like a Hawaii green. But those are adorbs. And these cute sunglasses. I already have sunglasses. I'll show you them because they're right over here. I'll show you them. Okay, those are for sure my favorite sunglasses I have. So I have, let's just show you and you can choose your favorite one. So these are my traveling sunglasses with little hearts, like pink lines. And then these ones I just got with this set are like this pastel mix with like hearts on the sides. Look at those babies. Those are so cute. Ava, I have a question. So I'm asking the viewers which sunglasses are cuter. This is my traveling sunglasses got, and then these other pretty sunglasses. Which one do you like better?
Wait, can I see?
Here, I'll just show them both.
Which is from which even?
This is from the traveling set. This is from that set.
Oh, I like both of them.
I like this one the most. This one's so cute. I'm actually going to see what she looks like with the sunglasses on. She looks so cute. I love putting the sunglasses on the head. Just the cutest. Okay, anyways, we got the sunglasses. I love the bag, though, that it came with, because, like, you can have all your supplies, and you don't have to have them, like, carrying it. You can put, like, your molds over here and, like, a towel there. Oh, my goodness. This is the best part. The cute and adorable swimsuit. Isn't that adorable? Like, literally, it is so cute. So it has, like, one strap on it, and then it has these ruffles going down. Ruffles. And then it has this cute, adorable watermelons with, like, a green background. This is adorable. So I just am loving this set. And then the last thing we have with this set is this cute towel she can use. It's like a yellow and white towel. So we're going to make like a little beachy thing. And we're going to get her changed. So this is what she looks like now. And a 3, 2, 1. So guys, this is how it looks. Isn't it so cute? Take a swirl, Isabel. That's what the back looks like, pretty much the same. Isn't it so cute, though? And look at those sandals on her. I even painted her nails so they even look cuter. So, guys, I'm going to show you the little scenery we made. Isn't it a nice day at the beach? I love the beach. It's a hot day in Wisconsin. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down there. Go be a Bellabane in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you done it? Hope you did. Bye. Peace out.